Hey guys, look at Dave. Good afternoon. We are here in Club La Ia, staying at the Cocon. You can see this. That is the Cocon, a very small room. Just good for two. This is the pool, but there's no one. Uy, mahulog ka dyan, Dave. Oh, my attire. So we'll go there, we'll swim. Just waiting for mom. Sana si mommy? Si mommy is there now. Is coming. You see this woman is coming. Then ilang daan dito. Hi, the picture queen. Tara na. You're going to the beach. This is the there's a tiny room that Dave is staying tonight. Lock na to room, Lam? Ano naman lang ko ano? It's getting makeover there. So, what can you say, Dave? Dave, what can you say in this beach? It's nice. So this is a very big area. Yeah, you can picture there, oh. Instagram. Kaya na mag-picture kay mga ligo sa ta. Kasi di pa picture na kay video ko. Just for my vlog. Uy, wala agyanan daan dito. Mahulog ka dyan. White sun man day. So this is Club La Ia in La Ia, San Juan, Batangas. Ha? Club La Ia? Club La Ia, nang atong kistihan, Cocon. Meron man sang ano, asan? Oh. Katong murag bahay dito. Ano to? May iba din doon, malaki doon, marami siyang ano. Ang doon sa beach ba to? So nagbisaya na mi diri guys. Mga taga bigot man nga nakadagat. Makaligog dagat, mari pa tag 5 hours pa. Ya panganak mo tanig daplis dagat nga taga bigot man nako. Apait. So from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Okay pa kang mata na ko lab. Di para mang ko. Dia mga uno, dia tama order.
Alain sa dito na beach lab.
Lahi sa to. Murag mo man si Rotoy kuhan. Dito maabre tong.
Di tumati siya malap.
Dito lang oh. Loading area. So a white naman ang sun, oh. And it's a very big area. So Dave is swimming now. Dave, I will post this in your video, in your YouTube channel, but you are not cooperating.